All right, today we're going to introduce a new product, the Power Vision 3 for the Can-Ams. Before we get into it too deep, we always mention our belts. We got what we think is the best belt on the planet. Got all your Can-Am ATVs, UTV models covered, most of them, many of the modern ones. Check them out, Hunterworks.com. All right, Dynojet Power Vision 3 ECU tuner, programmer, whatever you want to call it. Reprograms your ECU to add features in it that may benefit you. I will say right off the bat, we're not covering the X3 model turbos. We don't do turbos and Polaris either. That's kind of a different area, something we presently want to stay out of. So we're covering the Mavericks, Maverick Trail Sports, Commanders, and Defenders. So what are the features and why would I want it? One, if you feel the need to go faster than your stock speed limiter, we can raise your speed limiter. If you hate having to put your seatbelt on or whatever just to run across the yard to do something, and bypass your seatbelt deal. We're going to turn your radiator fan on sooner, keep the engine a little cooler, keep inside the cab a little cooler, or optimizing air-fuel ratios and your timing for better throttle response throughout, raising torque limits on some models in some areas so that your seat of the pants change will be different. You know, I can't sit here and put a number on every model, but there is some doing it. We always say don't buy them on certain models for the performance, buy them on the features. Example, yesterday, Hunter and I, which by the way, Hunter's my son, works here. He's your point of contact, Hunter at Hunterworks.com for these, for the tech support on them, sending your files, etc. But we put one in our Defender, and stock on flat ground, we was running around 65 miles an hour. We put the programmer on. It changed it to 70-ish on a slight upgrade and around 75 coming back down the same grade. So, but trust me, you don't really want to go to 75 in a Can-Am Defender. Limited. One thing we find out on the Defender, I'll add this in here, is there's forthcoming Dalton clutch kit that we sell, and there are times that some models that tuners and kits work together. Defender is going to be one of them, but we'll tackle that on a future video. Now then, when you get it, it's not going to have any files on it. You simply connect it to your vehicle, turn the key on, back off, email us a PV file. Hunter's going to do a little short video on that, showing you how to do that. You can email us the file. Then we will take that information, send you correct tune back. We're going to have a second tune. We call it the brother-in-law tune or slow tune, whatever you want to call it. You pick your speed limit for your second tune. For somebody else driving it doesn't need speed. That's the selection at the bottom of the screen when you order it. Pick that miles per hour, so you'll get two tunes back. One is your performance tune, and one is your slow tune that you just simply go in there and tune it real quick to the other and let the crazy brother-in-law drive it. So we're going to hook you up on that. Like I said, Hunter's going to make a little how-to videos for you. And all, but if this benefits you, or the features that we have benefit you, get one coming. Be glad to help you out. Remember, we got belts for your vehicle. Subscribe, like videos so you can stay informed of what's coming, and we appreciate all that you do for us.